welcome back to my channel. It is Boss Lady, and honey, today I am getting ready to make some Salisbury steak with some mushroom gravy. This recipe is super easy and it is delicious, so let's get into it. I was feeling fancy, so I got me some organic grass-fed ground beef, and I believe this was a 1 pound block, might have been 2 pounds, but I'm going to season it with my Bahia Complete. Of course, I'm going in with my adobo. I am going in with some steak sauce. I'm also going to use some breadcrumbs. And I have flour to thicken up my gravy. And here I have 1 egg to use as a binder. And a lot of mushrooms. Y'all, I absolutely love mushrooms. And I don't think I showed you guys, but I have a cup with some beef broth. Now y'all know I do not use measurements whenever I season my food, but if I had to guesstimate, I'm gonna say that was maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of adobo. Y'all just season it to your liking. You guys, I'm gonna use steak sauce, but if you want, you can always go in with some Worcestershire sauce. But I just like the taste of the steak sauce, and I don't even know if I had any Worcestershire sauce. All right, I'm going in to mix up my meat, make sure all the seasonings and that egg is well combined. And I'm gonna go in and add my complete. And you guys, if you are ever worried that your food is not seasoned enough or it's over seasoned, go ahead and take you a small piece of your meat, like ground beef, put it in the skillet, cook it up, taste it, and see if it needs anything else, especially if you're cooking for a crowd or you're cooking for other people and you want to make sure your seasonings are on point. I have my stove on a medium to high heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in some avocado sauce, let that warm up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place my patties onto the skillet. So my patties are almost done, so I went ahead and took them out, and you guys, we are gonna use all of these drippings that's still in the skillet for our mushroom gravy. I went ahead and added some more avocado oil in because I needed some more juice. Now I'm adding in my mushrooms and my onions. If you want, you can always go ahead and do your flour, cook it down, and then add in your mushrooms and onions. But I did mine first, and then I'm gonna add my flour. Make sure I cook it down so that it does not have that flour taste to it before I add my broth. Now that I have my vegetables cooked the way that I want it, I'm gonna go in and add my beef broth to the skillet. I'm gonna place my skillets back into the gravy mixture and let it simmer for a while. Now y'all, this might not look like much, but I promise you this mushroom Salisbury steak was delicious. You could pair this with some rice, noodles, mashed potatoes, eat it alone, however you want it. You can make your sandwich out of it or anything. But you guys, this was super easy to make and it was delicious. Be sure to tell me down below, did you all eat Salisbury steak as kids? And if so, was it homemade or was it the kind that came like the TV dinner? The TV dinner Salisbury steak. But all right, y'all, you know the deal. If you like the vibe, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're one of my people, thanks again. Come again and bring a friend. And honey, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.